POS templates save you time by letting you set up multiple POS devices at once, instead of configuring each one individually. You create a template, choose which devices it applies to, and Roller takes care of the setup for you. The template controls how each POS device works, like how much cash is loaded and how guests are checked in. In this video, you'll learn how to create a POS template, adjust key device settings, and build a POS menu. A POS template is your blueprint for setting up POS devices. It controls the layout, settings, and menu for every device that uses it. For example, you might create a front desk master template to quickly set up multiple front desk registers. If you need to make a change later, you update the template once, and all connected devices update automatically. To create a new POS template, open Venue Manager, select Apps, Point of Sale, Templates. Then select Create a Template. Give your template a clear, easy-to-recognize name, like Front Desk Template. This makes it simple to see where each template is used and what it's for. Next, set the starting float. This is the amount of cash loaded into the register at the start of each shift. If you set this to 0, the supervisor has to manually count the cash at the beginning of every shift. This is a helpful way to keep everyone accountable and make daily cash reconciliation easier. If these POS devices will be used for high-volume group check-ins, like school excursions, party bookings, or tour groups, turn on Mass Redemption. This allows staff to redeem all tickets in a booking at once, which helps speed up entry and reduce lines. Whether you use mass redemption depends on how your venue handles waivers. In some cases, like museums or large group events, waivers may not be required or may be handled outside of Roller. In those situations, turning this on can help streamline group entry. If your venue requires every guest to sign a waiver at check-in, this feature may not be the right fit. In that case, leave it off and use standard redemption instead. Next, Compact View. If the POS devices are for food, beverage, or retail, like a cafe or gift shop, turn it on to show more products on screen and reduce scrolling. Keep in mind, turning on Compact View removes product images, so it's best for high-volume setups where speed matters more than visuals. Next, you can customize POS Capacity View. It shows real-time availability for single booking resources and lets you manage bookings directly from POS. This is most useful for venues with a number of single booking resources, like escape rooms or private karaoke booths. You can drag and drop bookings to move them to a new time or a different resource. You can still view party bookings in Capacity View and open them for details, but you won't be able to move them if they use multiple booking resources. If your venue mainly uses multi-booking resources, untimed passes, or general admission tickets, Capacity View may be less relevant. Next, select Add Menu to start building your product menus in POS. Each POS template can include multiple menus. Menus group products together so staff can quickly find and select items at checkout. For example, you might group all jump passes into one menu. Give your menu a name, like Jump Passes, then select Select Products. We recommend adding products using tags. You can also choose specific products manually, but tags make menus much easier to manage. When you add or remove a tag from a product, it's automatically added to or removed from POS menus. There's no need to update each template or device. In this example, we use the Jump Pass tag to select all Jump Pass products, then select Done to add them to the menu. Add any additional menus you need to the template. Then select Save when you're done. You now know how to create a POS template, name it clearly, and configure key device settings like starting float and optional views. You've also learned how to build POS menus and use tags to keep products organized and easy for staff to find. With POS templates, you can roll out POS devices faster, keep menus and settings consistent, and support quicker, more reliable checkouts.